Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope everyone is fine and subscribing my channel as well. And today I have an exciting news for you. Google is actually introducing web stories for WordPress users especially. They have launched the beta version for Google Web Stories plugin, which we are going to test today, and I will show you how to install that plugin, how to activate that plugin, and how we can edit, remove backgrounds, and use that web stories on your WordPress website. So basically, इसका रीज़न ये है कि गूगल ने जो वेब स्टोरीज को इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया है वो इसलिए करवाया है कि आप लोगों को पता ही होगा, जो भी लाइक टिकटॉक के आजकल मामला चल रहे हैं या इंस्टाग्राम के ऊपर जो वेब स्टोरीज वगैरह चलती हैं, ये सेम उसी टाइप की वेब स्टोरीज होंगी जो कि गूगल सर्च रिजल्ट्स में शो होंगी। और ये आप इसको एसईओ के हवाले से भी ले सकते हैं। ये एसईओ में भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होंगी, क्योंकि ये जितने भी टॉप रिजल्ट्स होंगे जो गूगल सर्च होगी उसके टॉप के ऊपर, टॉप बार जो होती है गूगल सर्च रिजल्ट्स की, उसके ऊपर ये शो होंगी। और उसके बाद इसमें एक ये भी मतलब इंटेंसिंग फैक्टर है कि आपकी सर्च रिजल्ट और बाकी जो इमेजेस होते हैं या जो वीडियोस वगैरह आप पोस्ट करते हैं वो तो सर्च रिजल्ट में कहाँ की कहाँ निकल जाती हैं। डेफिनेटली द इंटायर वर्ल्ड इज रनिंग इन द सेम रेस, बट उसमें ये होगा कि वेब स्टोरीज इज समथिंग जो कि लाइक इजी टू अट्रैक्ट होगी आपके कस्टमर्स के लिए। इसलिए ये बिजनेस ओनर्स या जो ब्लॉगर्स हैं उनके लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट ये चीज़ है, इसको एग्जैक्टली अंडरस्टैंड करना कि ये इसने कैसे काम करना है, वेब स्टोरीज ने कैसे चलना है, उन्होंने वेब स्टोरीज को कैसे बनाना है, अपनी वेबसाइट के साथ उन्होंने कैसे उसको लिंक करना है, अपनी जो आपने आर्टिकल उसके लिए लिखा हुआ है उसको आपने अपनी वेब स्टोरी के साथ कैसे लिंक करना है, आपने जो इमेजेस उधर पोस्ट करने हैं उनको कैसे लिंक करना है। These are all the things I am going to tell you today in my tutorial video. So stay tuned with me and watch the entire tutorial. If you like this, give me a subscribe, give me a like, and share this video a lot. Thank you very much. Stay tuned with me. Okay, guys, let's start installing beta version for the for web stories for the WordPress presented by or introduced by Google. So basically Google वेब स्टोरीज को डाउनलोड करने का तरीका बड़ा सिंपल सा है। आपने लाइक सबसे पहले हमारी वर्डप्रेस की बिगिनर हैक्स की वेबसाइट के ऊपर जाना है। आप हमारी वेबसाइट के ऊपर जाएं, उधर ये जो इसका आर्टिकल ऑलरेडी पब्लिश्ड है, अली जावेद ने उसको पब्लिश किया है। आप इस आर्टिकल को आप हमारे सर्च रिजल्ट्स में सर्च भी कर सकते हैं। सिंपली आप गूगल वेब स्टोरीज लिखेंगे या वेब स्टोरीज लिखेंगे तो ये आर्टिकल आपको सर्च रिजल्ट में शो हो जाएगा। आप इस आर्टिकल के ऊपर जाएंगे तो बड़ा डिटेल इसका इंट्रोडक्शन हमने दिया हुआ है कि ये किस वजह से गूगल ने इसको इंट्रोड्यूस करवाया है और लाइक इसके क्या फायदे हैं, और इसका मेन मतलब जो जिसने इसको रिलीज किया है वो कौन है, और इसका किस तरीके से हम इसको यूज कर सकते हैं या अपने कस्टमर्स को हम कैसे अट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं। आप जब हमारे इस आर्टिकल को पढ़ेंगे तो इसके फर्स्ट इंट्रो पैराग्राफ में आपको इसकी डाउनलोड का लिंक मिलेगा। आप इस लिस्ट के ऊपर जैसे ही आप क्लिक करेंगे, दिस विल ओपन अप अ न्यू विंडो फॉर यू in your web browser. This will show you the Google Web Stories for WordPress. इधर से आपने कुछ भी नहीं करना, सिंपली आपने इसका बेटा वर्जन आप इधर से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं बेटा वर्जन। अदरवाइज द वन लिंक इज हिडन बिहाइंड मी ऑन द टॉप। आप इधर से भी इसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। आपको एक ही जिप फोल्डर मिलेगा, आप जहां से भी इसको डाउनलोड कर लें। बाकी गूगल ने इसको वेल डिफाइंड किया हुआ है, आप इसको देख सकते हैं। उन्होंने अपनी वीडियोस वगैरह जिप्स वगैरह डाली हुई हैं कि आपने इसकी एडिटिंग वगैरह कैसे करनी है, इसके टेम्पलेट्स कितने हैं। बाकी इसके लिए टिप्स भी उन्होंने दी हुई हैं, जो मतलब फ्रीक्वेंटली आप लोग क्वेश्चंस करते हैं आपस में, या जो एक लाइक ह्यूमन माइंड में जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं वो भी उन्होंने तकरीबन सारे इधर आंसर किए हुए हैं। इसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, आपको अपनी वर्डप्रेस की वेबसाइट में जाना है. फर्स्ट यू नीड टू डाउनलोड दिस. Once you have downloaded this beta version, then you can go into your WordPress admin, go to the plugin section. When you go to the plugin section, it will show you three options: installed plugins. There, it can show you all the plugins that are working with your website right now. And the second option will be add new. You have to click on add new so that it can take you to the next screen where you can see how like you can upload a plugin for this Google Web Store. Let's watch how we are going to make it easier for you to use this plugin within your website, and it will really a nice move by the Google to attract more customer for the businesses. So once you are at this screen, you can see upload plugin option at the top. You simply need to click this one. You have to do nothing else, and it will show up you this window. Then click on choose file, and remember where you have saved the beta version zip folder that you have downloaded from Google Web Stories website. Since I have already downloaded it, so I know it is in my downloads, so I'm gonna upload this like this. Web Stories zip, install now, and it is now started installing in my WordPress environment. And let's see how to activate it. The next step is very simpler. You simply need to hit a button and it will be like visible enough to see, and you simply need to click on activate, and you can see the stories will be available in your left sidebar. Let's wait for it, let it upload, and once it is completely uploaded, you simply need to click the activate plugin button. I'm going to click on it, and it is now activating this plugin so that it could be available in the left sidebar anywhere else. So basically, this is a very like easy process to install this plugin. You don't need to be technical expert, and if you have limited knowledge of technical aspects, that's not a problem for you. Means you can simply follow these instructions and you can install this plugin. Okay, within the installed plugin section, you can see the web stories is activated and an option for deactivating it. But on the other hand, where you need to manage it, you need to manage it here. These are the stories this plugin has like installed within your WordPress website. You can go into your dashboard or all stories. If you are already using it, you can simply go to the all stories, and you can see all the stories you have published till now. Or you can simply click on the add new section to go for a new story built by yourself. But let me tell you how you can like find templates in the dashboard, and you can edit those templates very easily. It is a very easy to use interface that like no one else can develop like otherwise Google. They have defined it very well. It is very easy to use, and I personally like it very much. Let me move myself here so that you can clearly see what's going on in the next sections or next screens. Do let me know how I'm like providing you such tutorials. Are you like are you going to like it? If you are like really enjoying my articles and if these are helpful for you, then you must need to give me a subscribe on my YouTube channel. You must need to like this video. You need to share this either on your Facebook feeds or Instagram feeds. Okay, don't forget to like our Facebook page as well. So here is the dashboard uh, where you can create a new stories. My stories will show up you all the stories that you have already published. Okay, and explore templates is the section where you can find all the ready templates that have been like published by or made available for you by Google. These are the ready templates. You can click on any of the template and you can use it. Okay, so guys, when we explore templates, it will show up you all the templates that have been provided by the Google, and these are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and like I think these are 8 templates that they have made ready for you to start showing up your Google Web Stories. Okay, what you need to do now, you simply need to hover on any of these story and you can view it, or you can click on use template and it will take you to the next screen or editor screen where you can edit this template, and each of their template has around like 5 to 8 stories, 5 to 8 different screens, or you can say, and you can edit all of them, you can delete any of them, or you can like simply use one of their screen or one of their story for you or for your business, whatever you would like to do. Okay, guys, so this is the editor of Google Web Story, where you can see the template we have selected is now available, and everything is very well placed. They have been like showing you everything very clearly. Every function is very visible for a non-technical person who don't know how to like handle website backend. They can easily see that if you want to change your logo, you can click on this option. You can see the content written here. You can see the background image as well, which they have used, and you can see the 2 rectangles they have used for this one. One rectangle is this thin layer, and the second one is using the background color. Okay, whatever you need to do, you can upload your images or videos from these options. You simply need to like click on upload, and it will take you to the media library. If you are already using WordPress, you exactly know what it does mean. But like, oh, if you already have the files you want to use in your media library, you can select it from there. Or if you want to upload new images or videos, you can also upload those things from using this function. If you want to change the text, you can simply select these options. This will once you click on this option, this will automatically be visible on your template. You don't need to like drag and drop it here. It is also very easy for anyone to use or anyone to understand. So I'm gonna delete it for now. And if you want to create like shapes or want to add shapes within your template, like if I want to show my girlfriend that, or my wife, I love her too much, you can place a love sign here. Okay, let's move forward. And what we need to do now, we need to like change these things in front of you so that you can see how this is working. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you. I already told you that each template has like 8 to 10 screens or minimum 5, but you can see you can go to the next stories page or pages or screens from this option, or you can simply select these from here. Once you select on any of these screens, or this will show up. You can delete any of these screen which you don't want to use, and you can also duplicate one if you want to use the same layout for your next stories screen. You can duplicate that page, and if you want to add a new page to your stories, you can do that from here. This function is like undo and redo. You exactly know what does it means. So what we are going to do, we first need to change the logo with WP beginners logo, WordPress beginners logo. We are selecting this layer, we are gonna delete it, and we are gonna place ours. We are gonna drag it to keep it center aligned. So here it is. You can also use your keyboard buttons to move it left, right, up, down. Too much easy, and very easy to use. Very nice move by Google. Okay, what should I write here? I would write subscribe me. Yeah, subscribe me. So I think we need to change the uh, here. Okay, one more cool thing is you can also save colors. Means if you are using a color and you don't remember the color code, you can also use the save the colors here. You can see the white is already saved, and if you want to use another color that is like um, more, or you use that color more frequently, you can always uh, okay. So let's see who subscribed me now, because I'm the first one who is telling you this and who is showing you how to use your WordPress web stories. Oh my God, let me get it to the point. Because I'm running a screen recorder, it has slowed down my entire machine. And I think it is center aligned now. So if you want to replace that image, which image should we use? Should I use mine one? Let's delete this one. Yeah, yeah. Okay, I'm using mine one. Yes. And then I'm gonna stretch it all the way. So this is how you are going to use Google Web Stories. And once you are done with it, you can simply publish it from this button. And it will show up in your WordPress admin under My Stories. Add to the new post. So that means you can also use it with the post. Like it is very helpful for the blogger if they are posting, and if they want to like post any of the story uh, with their blog in place of videos, that will be like that will entice up all of your audience
and they will really enjoy it. I'm sure, and I'm sure. Yeah. So let's tell me, friends and guys and my subscribers, tell me how you like this video, how much you like this video, and is it helpful for you? And if this is helpful for you, you simply need to give me a subscribe, as I have already requested it with you a ton of times. You simply need to give me a subscribe, you need to give me a like, and you need to share it with your friends or any of your circle around you, so that they can also learn how web stories for WordPress introduced by Google can be helpful for them as well. Okay. Do leave me your comments on my video so that I know how effectively I am working for you people. And if you don't like, don't bother to mention it uh, within like comment section on my YouTube channel. I don't bother at all if I get bad comments. I don't bother at all, because if you people are telling me that I'm making mistakes, that means I'm going to make more effective videos for you in near future as well. Bye bye. Bye bye.